It should be easy to use. Many times I need to use different functions like call forwarding, video conferencing, and if it's difficult to set up, it will make my head hurt every time I try.
The most important is the costs, efficiency and productivity.
It should be simple and easy to configure and maintain.
Wherever I go, I want to reach them fast and smooth.
I think stable connection is also very important. Everything will stop if there's a connection problem.
Of course, it should provide secure communications as well.
Sometimes I need to talk to my colleagues while I'm outside and discuss on matters. This will be easier if we can see each other's faces.
Collaboration, productivity, cost efficiency, and unified communications. For all your needs in business communications, IPEX, your communication solution. Simply unifying your communications with IPEX. Data networking. IPEX data networking solutions are designed for simple and smart data communication and management. IPEX SBG is an all-in-one communication platform for converged data and voice. IPEX ES2000 series is advanced L2 smart switches for SMB. IPEX ES3000 series is fully managed L2 switches for large enterprises. IPEX ES4500 series is highly scalable L3 routing switch with wire speed gigabit performance. UC platform. Ericsson LG offers enterprise communications platforms with fully distributed IP architecture and highly reliable solutions for your business. IPEX SBG is a smart communication platform in a single unit for small businesses with limited budgets and resources. IPEX MG is a smart hybrid IP PVX for SMB, supporting mixed deployment of both IP and TDM extensions. IPEX LIK is a simple and flexible pure IP PBX for SMB, simply unifying a wide range of applications and phones. IPEX CM is a powerful and reliable pure IP PBX for large enterprises with higher redundancy. Phones. Ericsson LG provides a wide range of user-friendly business phones with easy-to-use and comprehensive features. Ericsson LG's digital desktop phones bring the functionality of IPEX LIK, IPEX MG, and IP LDK to the desktop with display-based interfaces. Ericsson LG's IP desktop phones provide from a basic entry-level IP phone that lets you enjoy the benefits of IP telephony, varying from its simplest form to the highly sophisticated needs of executives and global communicators, designed to best fit your business needs. Ericsson LG's Wi-Fi phones provide seamless communications, allowing users to stay connected via wireless network as they move. Ericsson LG also offers all the benefits of DECT phones, including high security, scalability, and low power consumption. Applications. Integrated with UC platforms, Ericsson LG's diverse applications enrich your business communications and empower collaboration. UC and collaboration solutions provide seamless communications and collaboration in more effective and efficient ways. Mobility solutions allow you to be always reachable and responsive, providing consistent communications. Ericsson LG offers cost-saving contact center solution, maximizing customer values and agents' productivity. Hospitality solutions deliver the best way for the guest services and staff management. With management solutions, you can have clear visibility and easy control over databases. Best suited for your business needs and success, IPEX, your communication solution.